Youth, resource for future nation. Good evening all. As a part of BBM Global family, I want to share my insights or thoughts how youth can be future of our nation. In fact, if we realize one small logic here, youth is our future. So here I just want to share few researches which was already done on the youth in the recent times, which is showing that youth is not having the patience, enough patience, or youth is not getting habituated to accept the failures and all, which really disturbed me a lot. So I just listed out few points here which will help youth to emerge as a successful person. In that, the first and foremost thing that I listed out is endure your failure or accept your failure. If we just get any hurdle at any point of time, you don't need to feel like you are defeated. Just focus on what is your goal. That means end of the day where you want to see yourself at the end of the day itself. Why? Because success cannot be, we cannot be success over a night. So we should just learn in a consistent manner. Then only we can emerge as a successful person. So it's okay, accept your failure and just learn from that where you have to focus on. And the second thing that I want to list out is building up a good relationships. So first of all, why we have to build up a good relationship is the question. So a simple point here, no one is perfect. So that means we have to get inputs from the others. We have to mingle with each and every individual possible, so that the sharing of knowledge will happen. That sharing of knowledge, that only will help you to grow in a consistent manner. So at every point of time, whenever you are mingling with a new every new person, what will happen is you will be knowing to a new point, so which will be added to your success. So like this we have to grow and learn consistently. And the third one, be a good listener. In the recent times, many people would like to talk rather than listening. But we should, if we want to emerge as a successful person, first we should make a habit of listening. So why we have to listen? Because once if you make a habit of listening, you will be knowing new points from the others. Because whenever you are talking, it's just you are expressing your own thoughts or whatever you know. But in that talking process, you are not learning anything new. If you want to learn anything new, first focus on listening. And the last but not the least, give me time. So here I just want to say to each and every individual, just give space to yourself first. Because at the end of the day, if you give space to yourself, you will realize what you did in a particular day. That means you can just list down the positive traits you did or the negative traits you did, from which you can listen something from that. That means you can when you list down positive and the negative traits, you can be able to realize many things, because that is the best feedback that you are giving to yourself. Someone's opinion about you may not be matched with your reality. That means it may not reflect your reality. Maybe they are trying to pull you down, or maybe there may be many hidden reasons behind their feedback. But still, no need to worry about that. Just focus on what is the feedback that you are getting from yourself. That is really very important. Finally, if you are able, you will be able to cross all these stages only when you are with a good attitude and good discipline. So please learn this disciplined behavior, and to what level you may reach also, please maintain this attitude whatever you are having now, which is a good attitude. So which means once if you reach to the successful level, for example, you no need to show your bossy attitude and all. Please try to be normal and try to motivate others and help others to reach their goals and make them also be a part of their success. So just I want to conclude this. Youth, please come out of the comfort zone, realize your potential and help others also to reach their goals and also be a part of others' success also. These are the few things just I listed out. It's just my view to help the youth or any individual to emerge as a successful person. Thank you. All the best. Stay safe.